As an avid runner, I like to get out on the roads and trails regardless of the weather. Living in Pennsylvania, that means I'm dealing with ice and snow for a lot of the year. I'll show you how I take an old pair of shoes and turn them into something that grips really well in ice and snow. This is quick and easy to do, and it's something you can do to not just your running shoes, but to your boots you use to clear the driveway or anywhere else you need traction in the ice. I like to take a pair of shoes and make what's called screw shoes. You really only need two things to do that: a cordless drill with a 1/4 inch nut driver and some sheet metal screws. These have a hex head. When I insert the screw into the sole of the shoe, the hex head is going to stick out and give me grip. Now you want to make sure that you get ones with a short shank and check the thickness against the thickness of your sole to make sure that it's not going to go through the sole of the shoe and start poking you in the foot. I'll put a link in the description of this video to the exact screws I use that you can purchase on Amazon very inexpensively. When you look at the bottom of the shoe, you're going to want to put probably about 10 or 12 screws in the forefoot and 4 to 6 in the rear foot around the heel. I like to do rows going across, following the tread pattern. So that way, regardless of how my foot is in contact with the road or trail, I'm getting screws biting into the ice and snow. These also work in mud. If you like this video, hit the like button and think about subscribing to my channel for other helpful DIY tips. If you're going to give it a try, let me know in the comments and come back and let me know how it worked for you. Thanks.